Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and what's with practical in this tutorial. How to go for termination of iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone's device. Right now these iPhones, as we see here, this has been locked to owners. Of course, we would like to show you in this tutorial how you lock it permanently. As we know, see, this is a lock to owner. It happens due to when your device is in lost mode, blacklisted, or a stolen mode, or in a case you are not genuine owner of this device. Or by unfortunately you have forgot and erased of these things. What's the easy way to get rid of it without doing a jailbreak? Jailbreak is a matter by using it you can terminate, but after especially restarting or rebooting, this device will be once again stuck on this iCloud activity. So without doing that, of course, with the help of some strategy and executions, with the help of in a presence of existence of Apple database server, how do you especially terminate permanently this iCloud activation lock links? We will see live here. So first and foremost, we need to download 3 iDevice management tool. The first is a iTunes, guys. As we know that this iDevice management tool has been developed by Apple itself. Second, we need an imaging PC, and third one, that is a 3U tool, guys. So let it access the data by virtue of a special iTunes. As we see, guys, here, if I back and once again, if I click on this, now we will see this is a thing that was lost. It is into the Apple password that we're used to set up this device. If you don't know, don't worry. With the help of this strategy, you will be a master for especially erasing or getting rid of at especially these problems from any iPhone's device, guys. So how can be possible? Second tool that we need a 3U tool, and third one is imaging PC. So we will open a 3U tool, guys. We see here we don't have options to do anything, so we cannot operate these things here on this device. So what we will do now, just we will go for here, click on a smart flash to toolbox 2. Of course, we will come in the crash analysis and we will delete some inside these files. Yes, because of we have to clear some old file or redundant yes file and the data, and due to that, of course, once again, if I do these things initial steps, then there will be no any existence of old data, and due to that, Apple database server especially won't be able to track that the device is locked to owner. But some of the extra strategy and the clue that we will have to execute here, so that's I also would like to show you. So you will have to watch till the end of this tutorial. If you have 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes, less than 30 minutes, then watch carefully and then execute step by step this strategy. So now here, as we see, we are here. What we will do right now, yes, we will open just a smart flash. In a smart flash, we have to download recommended IPSW or firmware. This IPSW or firmware approximately size is a 5.75 GB approximately. This IPSW or iOS you can see, or firmware you can see. This one you will have to download, recommended. Don't select retain user data. We will have to select the quick flash mode. Don't select the anti-recovery flash because it will take much more time. And the quick flash don't select because yes, this feature has been given to address of if the iOS has been damaged. This phone has been stuck on the Apple logo or iTunes logo or black screen, white screens, then you will have to address by that. So we'll go for quick flash. Fine. Before execution of that, of course, we will have to come to the toolbox, and before coming the toolbox, now see we are here. Now this is the last tool that we will have to use here, that's the imaging PC. So we will have to write here imaging PC. I am, and of course this one already installed. So 3all tool, I will give you link below the description box, and with one click you will be able to have it, guys. See, one thing more that I would like to tell you here, if multiple devices are showing, so because in a day we have been unlocking the multiple device via similar strategy. So if you have here it is if multiple devices showing. So that what we'll do guys here, just we will click on extra device that has been especially here, that we will close, and of course this is locked to honor as we see here. We will back, and of course it will give a good configuration data. So now we will click on here, we will have options show device the console, we have to, let's see, clear. Now of course we will clear. Now let's see, now data is being accumulated and we have to clear at least 20 times. So we have to clear guys, so do it fast. Now it's demanding, but here we will have to ignore this message and we will have to clear. So just to see, now almost we have the clear. Once again we will back and we will check it out. Yes, similar strategy. Of course, the after all total time can be expected, especially I'm taking more than 20 minutes guys and less than. Now see here, now we came on a 8 December today it is. Now we will have to come the here in toolbox we have options, sorry, REC mode in 3U tool. Here this one we will cancel this, and thereupon of course we will have to come in here console, and we will have to clear this. Almost we have the clear white screen is coming. So of course now iTunes is also detected that this device has been rest in a recovery mode. So just we can close it. Multiple especially apps or software that we have to close only when we have to use this, that is especially 3U tool. And now once again we will have to come the smart flash here that we have already selected. Just we will push this button, and thereupon of course we will hit this button without doing delay. Now as we see, we can watch till the end of this tutorial and we will see that what's happened further. Yes, let it complete 100%. If any error will come, then of course we will address that thing also guys. Now see 18% we have completed, and it's totally live guys in front of you. So watch carefully, it's totally live. And data cable, once again I would like to show you. See, now I'm nothing doing anything on a here. Now see, it will reboot multiple times, or maybe especially during the flashing, of course the process device may restart multiple times. So please don't unflash and don't worry if the percentage of descending order or ascending order is going or happens on your display in a 3U tools. See guys, this IPSW can be downloaded from also especially www.3u.com. On there is also a lot of the firmware. And one thing for your kind information, if you haven't unlocking or you are unlocking above the especially 11 or 12 especially iPhones, then try to use a beta version. Beta version is available. So how would you get a beta version? Yes, on a 3U tool also you can have, or this can be downloaded from ipsw.beta.com. From there also you can download it. So now see here we have reached on the 29%. Further we expect that it will go up to the especially 100%. And of course we have to close all others apps so that PC will work fastly on this device. Because as we know that if it especially works slowly, then of course it will take much more time. So I don't want to especially, yes, it's for your valuable time guys. That's why actually. Now see here on 34%, it's going in ascending order. Let's see. But here sometimes it's going to not accurate. Just watch here that almost 30% we have completed. It will reboot, and thereupon it will congrats. This 3U tool will notify that congratulations, this flash has been completed, and thereupon the 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute, yes, on accurate time. So watch carefully. Yes, till the end of this tutorial. I'm not going to escape because don't have the much more times to especially edit of this tutorial. So it's totally live in front of you guys before you. Watch carefully, and thereupon of course you have to execute step by step guys. See, line has been closed. So just to let me switch on the inverter. I'm sorry, guys. Actually, electricity has gone out, and that's why I was worried that it will stuck on a Apple logo because iOS would be a damage. So be alert for it. Yes, in the midst of electricity, shouldn't we went out? Otherwise, shouldn't we go out? Otherwise, of course, this iOS would be a damage. But finally, this light cam. But one thing also I would like to tell you here: internet connections would be always connected. Otherwise, if it doesn't connect, then configuration won't be as easily rendered the proper way. So it will give you error in the midst of it also. Internet connections, yes, very important. So now it has finally restored this internet connection. We are on a 42%. Let's see. I was worried that electricity in the midst of that especially went out. So maybe iOS would be a damage and the whole procedure. And if iOS is going to damage, that will impact on especially this device also. But don't worry, now it's going on and it's on a 42%. We will have to wait. And of course, try to use always proper data cable. Yes, if the data cable quality is not good, then that condition also you will have the problem that it will give you error in the midst of it. So it will be stuck on the Apple logo or iTunes logo. Finally, guys, we spent here more than 12 minutes, less than 13 minutes, and the timer is going on in front of you. So you can predict and conjecture. Now, almost it is stuck on a approximately on a 42%. We are not going to do anything. Let's see what will happen. We'll have to check it out. These things that if it is escalating or ascending or it's increasing or not. If it is going and this is not notifying of that, then no problem. But if it is escalating or especially ascending, then that will be fine. It means of course it's working. There is no any errors or coming. Sometimes it's totally dependent on the Apple database server. Also, because of unsigned special IPSW, also we are going to sometimes for if you want jailbreak of some particular device. But right now, without doing a jailbreak, so I'm doing it, guys. So don't worry. Now it has been raised on the 55% from 42, so it means it's going in the ascending order. Now see, almost we have done. Here, just to see on 57% here it is that almost more than 80% we have the completed. So let's see when it will restart. Then of course 2-3 crucial steps that at the end of this tutorial we will have to execute. Before execution, just I would like to inform guys, we will have to provide proper special IP address or good configuration. Suppose these iPhones or this device belongs to a Hong Kong, then we will have to provide a specially Hong Kong Apple database IP address, guys. Otherwise, of course, we will have the problem. If the navigation or location is being navigated by a special Apple database server, in that condition we will have the problem. We won't able to give a good configuration for Apple database server. So in that conditions, of course, maybe this device give an errors. So that's why actually I would like to show you how would you have to deal it, guys. Don't worry. Now almost we have done here. just to see on 56% here, more than 90%. Now see the congratulations, clean flash has been the completed finally show. Now finally this device would be rebooted, guys. Let it start. Before we coming starting this, just we will have to come in the toolbox and we will have to wait for highlight. What? Yes, we will have to wait for highlight. That's batch activations. Where it is, batch activations, we will have to go for batch activations. Where it is, batch activation, here it is. It should be highlighted. If it is not going highlighted, then of course maybe some error. Now it has been highlighted finally, so just we will go for here and we will go for, yes, hit these ones, and upon of course we will hit. So now it is activating and this keeping the whole the initial stage of that while be the processing, and we are going to generate new apply and password on particular new device. This thing we don't have to, because there is already some ID that was linked, but now we are skipping the whole thing. So let's see if any error will come. Then of course we will create this virtual locations, yes, and thereupon of course we will try to execute once again this strategy, guys. And this is only for the education purpose. Don't misuse of these things, guys. But of course you know how to especially execute on accurate time on the what step we have to execute, then you would be the master for especially, yes, erasing the all kind of the apples, either it is a screen passcode, touch ID, face ID, of course, and other biometric time screen passcode. Everything can be especially unlocked. So now it's taking time, don't worry if it is giving an error. Then however we will address on that thing also. Let's see. Still it is taking time, guys, don't worry. You have to do nothing. You don't have to force the extra here or use the extra man. Just we will have to go over step by step what are the procedure for this, especially almost to see, guys, here still it is activating and the skipping. Now see, finally it has been successfully skipped and activated. We came on the hello screen. So now what we have to do, see guys, in case here is some error, what you will do here, in case here is error, then you have to do one thing more, that is virtual location. This one we will have to step. So now it's saying the unactivated. So here if we are unable to execute, so just we will go for these ones and therefore we will select it. So it is also not highlighted. So now means this device is nothing demanding, means there is no any error. Now see here, just we will back and once again we would like to let's see. Yes, we will go for here. Let's see. There shouldn't be any internet connection on this particular iPhone. So I would like to show you. Now see, there is no internet connection, and see the magic will happen. So directly we come here. As we see, there is no any internet connection. You watch it, just a data cable has been connected, and see iDevice unactivated, and now see here it has been totally gone out everything. So there is no any ID. But right now if I click on here, see it's asking connect to the internet, so it means there is no internet connection. However, so without having the internet connection, this is not possible to activate of that. But by virtue of artificial Apple database servers, of course we have done is very smartly of it, guys. Now see here what we have to do furthermore. Yes, we are unable to generate a new ID, especially here without having the internet connection. If your device in a stolen mode, lost mode, or black, how do you? Yes, so we have generated the artificial here, virtual private network. So here, what we have to do, just we will have to go for here, activate now. So it's asking the batch activations, these skipping. We are not going to do anything right now. See, one thing that we have to go for. Now we open here once again iTunes, guys. So where it is iTunes, let's see, open it. Yes, so we can close it. If the SIM card is not working, that thing also I would like to tell you what is the easy way solution for it, guys. Now see, this iPhone is especially assessing a data. Now it's saying the welcome to new one. So now see, there is nothing. Just we have to go in the account, sign into, you will have to hit this one, create a new Apple ID and password. You don't have to especially create here. Just by execution of this here, write any email, write any password, verify of that particular password, and select the country and go for continue. And new Apple ID would be transferred directly without having any internet connection. See here, no SIM card is inside here, no internet connection Wi-Fi, but how it has been the final unlocked. So see, magic will happen. Connect to the internet, especially to sign into your phone. So it's a clear the masses. I'm not telling you here, just to see here. Connects to the internet to sign into your phone. Means there is no internet connection, but however, we have done now, this ID would be directly transferred to a here on this device. If the SIM card is not working, what is the easy way solution? Is if the SIM card is not working, that condition, we will go for reboot this device. We will hit this once, and thereupon we will go for, if I click, it would be restarted, and thereupon yes, normal, especially location of whatever the current location of this device would be restored. So SIM card will be working now. Now see, activate now. If I click here, it's saying the activation. So how do you restore of the true or virtual location? So got it. Now status, see here, we have done it. Now once again we will try to end. It's not demanding, but some of the device it will demand, then of course go for it. If any error is coming, the batch activation, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorials. If you would like to generate a new Apple ID by itself on the device, then you will have to connect a Wi-Fi here, and upon after connection the Wi-Fi, then you can go for here. Insert the SIM card, also you can generate. This is all about in this video tutorial. Guys, it has the benefited to you in any way to spread your knowledge, to accelerate your knowledge or information about the information technology, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share of this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make such as an informative video tutorials, guys. And by free of course from this channel, you can watch and accelerate your the knowledge about the information technology, guys. This is all about in this video tutorials. So thank you for watching a technology welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.